Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on the touch command in Linux. In this video, I will show you how this command works and how you can use it in real world scenarios as a system administrator or a developer. Let's get started. Touch command in Linux is used to create empty files or update the timestamp of existing file without modifying their content. We will explore its feature and use case through practical example. So let's create a simple file first. Touch new file.txt. So this we have created a simple file. This is how you create an empty file in the current directory in a simple and quick way. Next, update the timestamp. So to update the access time, we use touch -a and the file name. So ls-u, this shows to verify the access times update. Just now we created this file. So the command is touch -a and the file name to update the timestamp. So here we will not be able to find the difference between the timestamp because just now we created. Let's try once again if it's update. So here you can see we update the timestamp. Okay, there is no any content updated in the file. This is empty file. This is useful when simulating file read, such as in testing or debugging file-based system. To update the modification time, we use ls. Let's check the timestamp first, and to update the modification, to modify the time, touch use -m as option. So this will update the modification time. See, time is updated. So I have created a file at 1911 and I have updated the timestamp to 1912, and now I modified the time to 1913. Perfect for updating the logs or a file used in build process. Next, we will see a -c flag to prevent file creation. So let's use touch -c. I will use non-existent.txt as a file name. Here you can see it has not created a file name. File was not created by using -c. This is useful in the script where you want to avoid accidental creating a file. Setting a specific timestamp, you can use touch -t and mention the year. Let's mention 24 December 25 date 9:30 as a timestamp for this file. ls-l, see the timestamp. So if I want, I can update to I can update the date to 27. So earlier it was December 25. Now I have updated to December 27. Like this, we can set a specific timestamp. And also you can sync the timestamp between the files. Let's see, ls-l. I have one file, reference.txt. I want to create a new file and I want to sync the timestamp to a new file. Touch-r reference.txt, and I will use target.txt as another file. Now I will check the timestamp between both the file. It will show the same timestamp. You can see it is showing the same. Both the files with the same timestamp. Using ls-l, we can verify it. This is helpful when preparing files for data migration or a backup. And combining touch with other commands, example, we can use touch command with find command. Find Verilog. Here, find Verilog hyphen names. In double quote, I will mention star.log to search star.log files and touch it with -a. There is no any file in Verilog. What I will do, I will create a file. Here only I will create touch file1.log, file2.log. So with this, now what I will do, I will update the timestamp. I will update 23 December 25th. This date I will set it for file1.log. So here you can see one is I have updated timestamp for file1, and file2 I have kept the same. So now what we can do, run the find command in the current directory and execute. Now check once again, the timestamp has been updated to dot file. See, earlier it was file1.log, December 25th was the timestamp 2023. Now it has been updated to the current timestamp by using find command. So updating the access time for multiple files we can do in this way, using star.log files and run the followed by the command. Let's summarize where you can apply touch in a real life. Simulating file changes, which is useful for targeting, useful for triggering file watchers in development. Testing the backup script, modifying the timestamp to ensure proper file inclusion. Managing the logs, update or verify timestamp for auditing purpose. And prepare a data for migration, syncing the timestamp to maintain the consistency between the files from source to destination location. Common mistake to avoid while using this command: overwriting important timestamp. Always double check timestamp with ls or stat before running the touch command. Permission error, like ensure you have a necessary permission to modify the files. That's it for the touch command. We have covered its usage, options, real world application, that are vital for the system admin and developers. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Linux and DevOps content. Thanks for watching.